What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review I was watching TVF's Aspirant. So once again, it's best to recall or revisit what you have watched before. So today I am going to review a Kota Factory. The best thing in Bollywood is you could see that if the story revolves around two or three friends, it works very well. थ्री इडियट, ज़िंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, दिल चाहता है, स्पेशली दिल चाहता है इज़ वन ऑफ द गुड. आई रियली स्टिल फील लाइक इट वाज बेस्ट मूवी. So in this also, in Kota Factory, the story revolves around three friends. Before talking what they are doing they are preparing for examination. Okay, that's another part of the story. The good synopsis is that what their characters are. So the first character is Vaibhav, the guy who has so much pressure and his vision and everything. But there is always exception. The exception is that you try your level best, but how you wanted the things to really work, it will never work. I could relate him to myself also, because during ninth and 10th grade I was totally tired with chemistry and I didn't know what is this. Okay, if you are giving me the formula HCl or NaCl, okay, I could manage that. It looks like parallel to physics. So that's why Vaibhav is good in physics, but he was not good in chemistry, and he said that chemistry is just like a girlfriend, so you have to have an exception. So there is always the good thing that you will find about this guy is he is more focused on reaching his goal rather than thinking about that love is everything, but overall at this phase of life I should prioritize my goal. And he really did his level best, and you will enjoy his role. The second is Meena, the South Indian guy. This is a truly one friend everyone really wanted to have it. He is humble, he is kind, and you will fall for him for his grace, gratitude, compassion, and very humble attitude that he is showing. Always uplifting and never let others to demoralize others, because he just wanted to give them a bite of hope, and always being kind and supportive. And especially even somebody is thinking within, he could read and relate and tell that better focus on the positive side of the story rather than just suffering within. So that's what Weber was doing. And at the beginning, when he went to the Kota Factory, he was having all these issues regarding food, health, sleep. He said, why you are doing this? Why you let all these things prevail on you? You will never perform very well, even if you have a very fertile ground. So his character is very best. And the third character is Uday, the guy. Especially the last episode, you will really enjoy it. He nailed it very well. No matter, this is the boy that you always have in group who wanted to go have party or have everything. He wanted to have a bite of everything, from romance to study for everything. Even study somebody, he's a backbencher. Okay, agree with that. But in the end, he said it very wisely that if at this phase of life, if things really work and we will have a fruitful future and the results, we will remember all our friends in friendship forever. But if things never happen, we have to be very practical, and we will never ever love to recall or remember each other, because that's how it happens. If the things work very well, okay. If it doesn't work well, everybody will be very angry in the dressing room. So that happens in the teamwork. And moreover, about the girl character is very good also. And there is also another girl who is girlfriend of Uday. She is also practical. She can read the body language, and I hope you really enjoy it. I don't want to reveal further what is happening. And moreover, about the teacher Jitu Bhai, he is amazing, and he has done once again and proved his worth. I think TVF has used these characters superbly, and the way he is talking, you don't need any TED talk to listen all this. He is very practical, and he said that okay, it's good that we teachers are telling you something, but you should always see you have to achieve the result, and that's end of the day you have to prove it. That's all. I hope you really enjoy it. There is nothing more I have could reveal it, but it is best to watch it, and it will take you back to your college days and school days. Have a great week and take care of your loved ones, and bye bye.